We will learn how to boot VPS in rescue mode using Virtualizor. Rescue mode can be used for data recovery, repairing your OS, and different other purposes. Click the Manage icon of the VPS to which you wish to boot. Click to go to the Rescue Mode option. Currently, the rescue mode is disabled, so now enter the root password in the given text input boxes and then click the Enable Rescue Mode button. The process has started and it can take some time to finish. The rescue mode has enabled now. If SSH is not accessible, we can access our VPS in rescue mode via SSH using our new root password set earlier. We can access the SSH from VNC also. I will show you how you can access it. Let's click to open VNC and launch HTML5 VNC client. Now we can access our VPS in rescue mode from here by entering our username and the new root password. By clicking this Disable Rescue Mode button, we can disable this mode anytime. Thank you for watching.